Hello? Yeah, these Can-Ams in original form are pretty old school looking, with limited suspension and stuff, sitting low. But anyway, I'm this is going to be just played around in the field. So I decided, since I bought a new chain, these chains here, this one here is just like new, but it's only 85 links and I need like 95 just for a 42. So this is a 52. So I'm going to put a new chain on it, of course. But um, anyway, I don't want it high sped because I'm just playing around the field, um, mostly just to hear it run. So it's going to have short gears, but I like the old-fashioned look where it doesn't have the modern suspension. Like, not that these handled bad. These were terrible handling machines. I've wiped out an awful lot on them. But anyway, before I can put the front end together, I have to pull the forks because the headlight's got to be in here. And I might want to, these were wire wheeled, and some of mine that are back there aren't wire wheeled. And if you want to polish them, wire wheeling is a bad idea because it puts deep scratches in. So I might replace, I don't have to touch the steering head because I can just take that bolt off and this falls off. I might replace those with ones out back that weren't wire wheeled. It's not, there's no harm in it if you leave that look. But if you try to polish it, it's a bugger. And I got to polish up the fork tubes here before I put the wheel on. But I got my two Honda wheels. They trued up in no time. The front one is almost 100% straight, and the back one has just the tiniest amount of movement. And I put the front tire on first. I had quite a job putting this back tire on because this tire, it's newly made, and it's a tubeless tire. And anyway, these tubeless tires, they go on hard. But I got it on, but it went on hard. Way harder than most. Like these trials tires usually go on easy, and that did not go on easy. But anyway, let me see. Before I put the tire on, I put it on the bike with my make-do spacer, and it appeared to be in the center of the bike. The back fender's a little bit this way, and the tail light's a little crooked, which throws me off. I might be able to loosen the bolts and get it back, but it was straight between the shocks, and my chain seemed to be okay. This chain's half wore out, so I have a new one coming. $50 for a new chain. Local shop that sells bike parts. So anyway, that'll be good. But anyway, I just thought I'd say hello. I contemplated actually which wheels I want to run on this bike. And where I have the Honda's going to be on the road. I'd like to drive that a little bit on the road. And the Can-Am, I won't be putting on the road anytime soon. So I figured, well, I better gear it up for the dirt. So I thought I'd run it with the chrome wheels and the 21-inch front wheel. And these wheels that are more for a dirt road bike with the air vented front hub, I'll build like a 125 or a 175. That'll be in on my next bike. I could always at any time change them, but for first going off, I'm going to put this together with the chrome wheels and the 21, this wheel right here on it. But anyway, I'm happy with the Honda wheels. They trued up nice and square. New stuff lines up easier than beat off old stuff. But anyway, I'm about to mow this lawn right here. I'm not going to mow all the lawn because I got too many flowers, but I can mow this one lawn here. So I charged the battery up yesterday and I just got some gas. But anyway, and I still have, I cleaned up the threads and got this nut on and the special washer in behind. I still have to torque it, but I'll wait until I have the chain on and stuff first. But yep, yeah, it's slowly coming together, or more so now than it was before. But anyway, with the tar on there, you can see it sits. It's easier to tell that it's square. So anyway, the cat was here a few minutes ago. He took off. I don't know where he went. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a good evening.